Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the new exchange by the name BIBvip. There is something very special about this exchange that they are going to soon launch their own token by the name BIB token. Let's talk about the exchange before covering in depth the white paper of the token. Okay, this is their exchange layout. Very simple, elegant. I have personally registered, login, done KYC, and done my Google authentication with them and personally used it. It's very simple and straightforward. So just I will give you a brief overview of their exchange as well. And then we will discuss the white paper for BIB Meta. It's alright, it's a very simple website. They do have the application for iPhone and Android. Okay, let's go for the spot. Straightforward. We'll see some pairs over here. As for a new startup, they do have couple of pairs over here, and they do have a limit order and market order, which is basic information. Open orders history you will get over here, historical data you will get, and order book is over here. Yes, you can say over here the pairs are less since it's a startup. For a new startup, yes, in the future definitely they need to add more pairs. With this pair initially, yes, it's okay, it's good to have, but in the future they need to add basically more pairs. Plus there are no staking at the moment because it's a new startup. They just recently launched, you can see. So just for a recently launched exchange, it's a very good and it's very simple to use, to be honest. It's supported in 50 plus countries. This much amount of people registered already as per their website, and that's a good, to be honest. And if you see their app also, it's straightforward. If you want to know more about them, you can go on their about us section where are they registered and all the information about them. And their fee structure, definitely that also does matter. 0.12 for the spot fees for maker and for taker also. You can contact them over here. Click on their help center if you need to get more details. Alright, let's move towards the white paper of their token. But before covering that, to be fair with the community, I have to mention that this is a paid project. So I expect you to be vigilant and DYOR. That means do your own research, because high risk to reward ratio always exists in cryptocurrencies. So how to do the DYOR? I mean, how to do your own research, because end of the day, the money is yours. They are planning to launch their own token in August. So normally whenever the exchanges, they are in very early stages. They will have a lot of airdrops, offers, packages, lot of stuff is going on over there. So how will you do your own research about that token? That's what matters. So you can follow their Twitter, you can follow their social medias, basically follow their LinkedIn, Medium, and a lot of other social networks, whatever their social networks. I will put all their social networks also down in the description of the video. You can see how their team reacts. Like, you will go on their exchange, you will communicate. So basically you will communicate with them, you will see how they respond you. Are they more official, or in response time, how are they dealing with you? Your questions, whatever questions you are having, are they giving you a satisfactory reply? Queries you are having, they are giving you a satisfactory answer to your questions, and how fast are they replying you? How's their team? You can see on the LinkedIn. So you have enough time to evaluate. They're planning to launch their token via IDO in August. The details are not yet completely mentioned in their whitelist, how it will be executed. Breakdown details of the token are not yet mentioned. Maybe in the due course they will mention more details about it. But definitely you can inquire from them whatever details you are looking for. So you can communicate with them. Definitely all the details I will mention down in the description. So let's get to the computer screen and see what they have in the white paper. So basically BIBmeta is a product of BIB Exchange. So BIBmeta, they are planning to launch in this coming September of 2022 during the World Cup time. So basically, BIBmeta is a complete package which will include DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, NFT. So everything is included in that. And the token they are going to have for BIBmeta will be BIB token, which will be a ERC20 token on Ethereum blockchain. In the max supply, as per the white paper they are mentioning, it will be 100 billion pieces as per the white paper. So the BIB token holders will be enjoying the asset appreciation, platform revenue rebates, platform trading discounts, supervision, voting, and other rights. Definitely on the BIB exchange. So basically relying on BIB exchange with NFT at its core, it's going to become the starting point for this centralized exchange to open the Web 3.0, where you can create, buy, and upgrade your NFTs. In addition, the club members will also benefit from DPoS mechanism, the delegated proof of stake mechanism. So let's see what they are planning for their club members. BIBmeta will combine the DPoS mechanism to provide a sharing and exchange platform for sport and entertainment fans. So users are BIB Exchange and the NFT as the core of the BIB Exchange. Is going to become the starting point for that centralized exchange to open the Web 3.0, where users will be able to create, buy, and upgrade their NFTs. And they will be able to hodl their BIB tokens so that they can get bonuses. They can do the staking of their BIB tokens to the nodes so that they can earn more token rewards versus hodling. Using BIB tokens, they can participate in the ecological games such as decentralized competitions, online penalty kicks, competitions in the games. BIB Meta takes 2022 World Cup opportunity to create a specific scenario to provide users with an unrefusable reason to participate in Web 3.0. This World Cup 2022 will be a very wonderful with Web 3.0 sports. So you can do match guessing. BIBmeta match guessing activity is realized through the decentralized asset trusteeship by putting a data on the chain in smart contracts. All the funds invested by user enter into the contract price pool, following the price of openness, fairness, impartially, real-time display of each input item and input amount for users to make decisions and open a live tournament window. As I said you guys before. So Web 3.0 opportunities are open. It's at a very early stage, this project. Definitely do your own research, what is called as DYOR. All right, let's see the real things what they are having. They are going to have some sort of mystery box sale, NFT marketplace, collection exhibitions. Okay, next is their roadmap. So they had already launched the project in March, and they released the project white paper in June, which is now, and they are going to do their initial DEX offering in August, which is after 2 months. So that means they haven't released their tokens yet. Then in September, they are going to launch World Cup trade card NFT sale, online NFT trading, synthesis, staking games, all the things what I have mentioned in their white paper roadmap. All the links are down in the description. Do your own research. And that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.